So this is the Ginormous rocket, right Titus?
Yeah.
It's over 7 feet tall, and it can fly up to 150 feet high in the air or more. It's over 7 feet tall, and it can fly up to 150 feet high or more.
I don't know about that.
You don't know about that? We have to test it?
Yeah. Yeah, let's open it.
All right, you guys, so thanks for joining us. Thanks for checking out Totally Titus, right Titus?
Yep.
Ooh. All right, let's take out all the parts and then we'll tell them what the parts are, okay? Oh, look at that thing. So it comes with the pump. We're gonna use this if we can. Otherwise, we'll use the manual pump there if we have to. It comes with the actual rocket, right, Titus? We got to fill this up with air. Look how long it's gonna be. So it's over 7 feet long. And then we got the station here. Let's see what this is. This is all the parts to get air and assemble the rocket. It also has a stake. It does come with a repair patch too if you need one. And then this is the base for the rocket. It has 3 fins. Right here, 3 styrofoam fins. Looks like they actually go right here in these 3 slots. The setup for step 1 is to put in the 3 fins like we were saying. So let's go ahead and do step 1. All right, so right here, if you look on the rocket, you hold it with this, the bigger opening facing up, and then you just take the fins and slide them in just like this. All right, we got the 3 fins on. Let's go on to the next step. Let's blow this thing up. I'm gonna use this battery powered pump.
Yep, that's right everybody. That's right everybody.
Okay, so the little inflation section is right there. There's a small plastic sleeve between the 2 flaps here, and then you can insert the inflator in there. You can either use your mouth or use the inflator.
It kind of looks like a hot dog.
Like a hot dog?
Yeah.
All right, y'all, there it is. All right, so we got part 2, it's inflated. So if you overinflate it, you won't have a rocket.
Yeah, Ma.
Do not overinflate it, you can damage this rocket. Step number 3 here is to take the balance ring and place it right there. It says place balancing ring within this area. There we go, we got it in place, looks pretty level here. What's next? Let's see. Step number 4 here, right there, you can see it says to insert rocket until the icons on the label and the base are aligned. So right here on the base, there is an arrow there that's gonna line up with this arrow. So let's go ahead and line them up. See here, Titus? Check this out. See this arrow right here? You line it up with this arrow.
Thank you, Uncle Daniel.
All right, you guys, so now we have all that in place. The base is connected to the main body of the rocket. So now it's saying to attach the leg. This is the leg here into the launch base, which is right here. We should hear a click.
Wow.
Just like that. Okay, so now that we have the leg attached to the launch base, we are going to go on to step number 6. Place the launch base on a level surface. Slide the stake through the opening to secure the base to the ground. So we're just going to secure the base to the ground. It only has 1 stake. You got to get the stakes in the ground. We got the red one that it came with on this side. We're going to do one. It has 2 locations here. Nice and secure now. Now we're going to go to step 7, where we're going to align the base of the rocket onto the actual launch, the launch pad here. It says to align the connectors on the bottom of the rocket base to the launch base and snap it into place. When correctly connected, a pin will pop up on the lock indicator. Right here you can see the 2 holes here. You have these 2 holes at the bottom of the base of the rocket. You just line them up with these 2 red points here with those yellow dots. Okay, let's see if we can get this lined up and in place.
Need some water.
Okay, so I think we have it in place the way it should be. I guess we'll do a test run and see. All right, that's what it looks like, you guys. There it is, it's about 7 feet tall. Let's go ahead and get the water in there and build up the pressure. Okay, y'all, right here. This little gray button here is the lock indicator. When that pops up, that means the rocket is properly locked into the base. This is how you know if the base is level, with the metal ball being in the center of this circle. So that is step number 8. You can use this yellow handle right here to adjust the height or, you know, change the level of it. So just make sure that ball's in the center of that circle and you're good to go. Next, you unlock the bottle cap here. We already unscrewed it, took the top off. We're gonna connect the pump hose to the tank cap. So you can only use the pump that they include for this part. You just push the cap into the hose or the hose onto it to keep it on there nice and tight. It's nice seal, and then this section here, you just push it down and screw it on. And when you screw it back on, you start filling it up with water. You push the pressure to be at 100. Maybe a little higher, but 100 at least, or else the takeoff will not be as high. So let's go ahead and do that. And then Titus is gonna go get some more water, so we fill this tank up to the brim. Okay, it's right here at the top. Let's go ahead and put the cap on now. You can see there's a little cutout or a little slit right there, so you line that up. At the top of the can, there's a little notch there that lines that up, so make sure you line it up or else you can't screw this cap on. You actually screw it on counterclockwise. But again, we'll pump it till it's 100. Okay, if you look here, you can see the water. Oh, it's building up. So we just gotta build up that pressure. Keep pumping, Titus, keep pumping. Let me know when you're tired.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
No, not tired yet.
All right, let me do it. Is that okay? Yeah. I mean, it's getting dark. We want to see it fly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Oh, shit. It wasn't supposed to do that. Okay, well, I guess we didn't have it locked into place.
100 now.
See if you guys can see it, but we're at 100. Okay. All right, you guys. Well, let's see if Titus can do it. All right, you guys. I'm gonna try to get it from takeoff and then just follow it up in the sky. Go ahead, Titus. Smash it. Smash it hard. Okay, so there's our house all the way over there, and the rocket landed all the way over here. So yeah, if it's a little bit windy, you're gonna have to go out and chase it. It's an awesome rocket. We love it. The children think it's amazing, and we're probably gonna shoot it off another time here.
Thanks for watching. We'll make some more videos on the channel. I'm so glad you have fun. And hit that subscribe so you can get some more videos. We'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah. Peace.